So, why do you bring us here? Yeah, guys, we having a pool party, right? So, but what's up? So ready to come, but can you please come? I want to be alone. Fine, we just. Ouch! No, Mellon, please! No, Freddy gotta save you. Mellon, are you okay? Oh my God, it hurts so bad. Hey, Blake, he's gonna get up already. Okay, I'm not. You're gonna come, you silly wizard. I need to go to ambulance. Oh hell no! I'm not doing that. Only with my one leg. What do you see? I was expecting to. I didn't tell you about this. So I need to climb in this thing. I don't know what it is. So let's do. Okay, I'm gonna climb. I wanna see what's up there. Not be $1 million. Taking that one cash. Okay, I'm at the top. Where's my $1 million at? It's a volcano, man. You don't know what it is. What? It's up and dangerous, so do not come here. I don't care. I wanna come. My one leg with my broken ankles, so I don't want to die for no reason. Psh, I told you to not go up here. Okay, what is that? Yes, it's a volcano. Please, where's that one? I am. Oh my God! It's a volcano. Fire! Stop! Oh no! Oh. I heard Pumpkin and Mellon came here. What is that? A bigger buoy. It has to be a volcano. Oh. So, hey, I'm Muppet's brother. So, I'm gonna go to save it. No. I will never take it in the line. Who's pushing me back? No. That was the deepest volcano I've never seen. I see Custer. Oh, go put my hands on my foot. I made it. He didn't make it yet. Oh, I'm gonna climb. I'm gonna do the Mr. Backflip. I just need to do the backflip. Oh my God, broke my ankles. I did it. Hey, stop, Mr. Skeleton. He's boiling. Ah! No. Jump in the pool. Oh my God. But this is easy. But you have to do a jump highs. He's gonna get to me. Live in a volcano now. Oh, guys, help! I got stuck. Oh hell no! Oh my God! Who wants to die? Who wants to die? Oh, hell. And after that was the end. And like and subscribe so we can get 90 subscribers or 10 or something. So bye.